Anagha here. Welcome to my food channel. Today I'll be showing you one of my favorite vegetable and recipe, that is Bharle Bhendi or stuffed okra. This is basically a roasted chickpea flour with few spices stuffed into an okra or the bhendi, and it tastes absolute divine and very simple, very appetizing and very quick to make. Coming to the nutritional fact of the okra or the bhendi, this is very rich in nutrients and also has a lot of antioxidant properties. So let's watch how to make this Bharle Bhendi or stuffed okra recipe. And if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha recipes. So let's watch how to make this stuffed bhendi. So for stuffed bhendi or okra, first I'm going to take roasted chickpea flour or besan, around 3 tablespoons. Add coriander powder, turmeric, chili powder, little salt, garam masala, roasted peanuts crushed. Add coriander, oil, tamarind paste. Now mix this well. So this masala is ready, and now we will do the stuffing in the bhendi. So first take a bhendi, make it into half. This, and take the stuff. Like this we'll make all the bhendis. So now the stuffing is done, and now we will proceed to the next step. So in a pan, add oil, add mustard seeds, jeera. Now add this stuffed bhendi. Add the leftover masala. So this is done, and now we will serve this. So here the stuffed bhendi or the okra is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.